Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a clear, well-lit portrait, so the app can read facial features. This makes stylization clean. Once done, import the photo and select the Ghibli or Studio preset. These presets use color palettes and brush textures tailored to the look. Make sure to enable face detail and background separation. These options preserve character expression while letting the background get painterly treatment. You're starting with the strongest input to get authentic Ghibli line work and warm color grading. Now refine the transformation. Reduce line strength slightly and boost soft grain so strokes feel hand-painted. This avoids harsh outlines. You should mask eyes, mouth, and key highlights to retain likeness, then apply brush stroke effects to hair and the background so they read as painted planes. Once those are settled, add depth blur around the edges and subtle bloom at highlights. This creates that dreamy, cinematic Ghibli depth. Make incremental changes and compare before and after to preserve character while achieving style. Finish by color grading. Push midtones warm and slightly cool the shadows so skin and sky feel balanced. Add a gentle vignette to focus the subject. You should export at 2x original resolution as a PNG to preserve details and save a layered project copy in case you want tweaks later. If you see banding or artifacts, reduce strong filters or rerun with noise reduction. This fixes posterization without losing texture. One troubleshooting tip: if faces look off, lower stylization and remask key facial areas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.